guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another Crumbl review for you guys. And today it is this Crumbl Mini Monday box. Super cute. It's a small Crumbl box with obviously their logo, and I didn't notice, but the back has 6 cookies on it because it is a 6-pack of cookies. So let's just get right into it. So I just ordered every single flavor of the week, and that is chocolate chip, snickerdoodle, strawberry cake, confetti cake, galaxy brownie, and I will put that name on the screen. I forget that one. It's like caramel and nuts. And here is looks all together. Super adorable and cute. I love the minis, but I will say this pack was $16, which is insane because you can get the 4 big cookies for like about the same price or less. And now let's try them. First we have snickerdoodle, and I'm just gonna break off a little piece. This one smells so good. Pretty standard snickerdoodle cookie. It's not very cinnamony. I think it should have some more cinnamon on it though. I usually rate these cookies, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I forgot to do so in the video. But this snickerdoodle cookie is gonna get a 7 out of 10 for me. And here's the regular chocolate chip cookie. It's like a mountain, and it has like some of the galaxy brownie stuff on it, but that's okay. I love their basic chocolate chip cookie. Super good, as always. Super good basic chocolate chip cookie. And chocolate chip cookie is probably one of my favorite Crumbl cookies, and I really like it, and so for that reason I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. And then here's strawberry cake, super cute little pink frosting with white sprinkles. That one's pretty sweet. Kind of just tastes like, I don't know, it's alright. Mid. It's nothing special, just like a regular sugar cookie with some frosting on it, but if you like that, it's good. This wasn't my favorite because it was too sweet, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Then we have this interesting like caramel praline thing. I don't really know, kind of sus. Not my favorite, kind of nutty, which obviously it is, but like, it's alright. And I also don't love caramel, so if you like nuts and caramel, you'll probably like it. This cookie wasn't my favorite, and it definitely isn't something I would rebuy or eat again, and so for that reason I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10. Then this is the galaxy brownie, or the cosmic brownie, which it's clearly resembling. Oh, I'm going to make a mess. This one's always so good. I love this. It's super chocolatey, and I wouldn't say it tastes like a cosmic brownie. It's just like a super chocolatey cookie. If you're a chocolate lover like me, then you'll love this as well, and so for that reason I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And last but not least, we have confetti cake, which I think is probably the best looking cookie out of this week's. And it has like some frosting, it looks like, and this whipped cream little dollop on top. It looks like it's just a sugar cookie with some sprinkles. So let's try it. It does taste like a cake, honestly. Cakey. But also a lot of their cookies are cakey. That one's pretty good. Pretty basic, and I don't think it's too sweet. I think it's a good amount of sweetness. And it does taste like funfetti cake. This cookie grew to be one of my favorites of this week, and it reminded me of the Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix. So if you like that, you will like this. And I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video of me reviewing the new Crumbl Mini Monday cookies. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!